I'm here at Costco and I'm going to show you all the plants that they have on sale right now. Let's go. Hey, here's my wife's favorite section, plants. Let's check it out. Okay, these right here are lemon cypress 1.6 QT. Tropical foliage and deco pot 48 OZ. Here it is. That's pretty cool. Just turn this around. All right, there we go. We got more tropical foliage and basket 360 OZ 265 ml. All right, for 20 bucks you can have this. That's pretty. That's cool. All right, here's even more down here. Urban jungle, it says. There's like small ones and there's bigger ones. Yeah, there's a combo bowl. Yeah, has a star, so it's probably discounted. All right, let's see what it looks like. Yeah, cool. Okay, we got more up here. Those are not combos though. I think those are tropical deco pot 4.3 G1 6.3L. They're bigger. And I don't know how much these are, but worth something. Where are they at? Anyways, let's go around the corner. Let's go over here. Oh yeah, they got grapefruit for sale. Got citrus, mandarin. Really cool. There's more plants here for $33.99. There it is. And then over here, what do you call this? All right, how do you read that? Dracana marginal. All right, here we go. That's about it, guys. Pretty short. Here's another section of the store to check out. See you over there.